Hello and welcome back to another video from Jerba Campervans. Now today we've got this brand new 2022 Jerba Tiree. It's a really unique look inside and we're going to do a really good tour of it. So let's jump in and have a look. So this is a Volkswagen T6.1 finished in the silver. This one's just been finished, so it's not been cleaned yet. So it's the perfect time for me to jump in with my shoes on ahead of the guys cleaning and tell you a little bit about it. Now, this T6.1 is our Tyree. It's our short wheelbase. It's got pop-up roof at the front. You can see the canvas. If you just bring the camera in, you'll see this canvas has our own Jerba unique unzippable canvas on it, and you can open it up to the elements like so. It's also got a Jerba roof bed fitted. Now, this one is a short wheelbase van, but it's got 3 seat belts in the back, so travel seating for 5 in this one. And you can see that the customer has spec'd this one with leather too. So it's got these really nice grey two-tone leathers with the diamond stitching in them. And we've also matched that onto the front seats here. So it's really nice. And even, you know, the captain's chair handles are finished in the leather, and we've got loads of leathers to choose from, so it looks great. The customer has also spec'd this van in this sort of blue metallic finish on the sides of the cabinetry, and then we've got this sand oak or this light oak on the top. They've also decided to spec all the doors on the top lockers and on the back locker with this light oak too, and it's a really nice finish. The contrast between the sort of light blue metallic and this oak just looks really nice, and I really like natural wood worktops myself. I think they're awesome. Now this van's been spec'd with a fridge. It's also got gas, and it has a water system and a sink. So we'll just kind of go through and I'll give you a little look at some of the things and how they work. So you've obviously got your fridge here, which is on. In the fridge we've got our freezer box at the top, so you can freeze your ice cubes. This is a Vitrifrigo fridge. They're really great. It's on just now, totally silent, I can't hear it. Above that we've got a little bit of a drawer and some dust in there, but really handy for all your cooking utensils and that sort of stuff, and it's quite a long drawer, so you get loads in there. Above that we've got the 2 gas burner here, so we've got a smaller side and a bigger side basically. One side can get hotter than the other side because it produces a bigger flame. Now if I just jump out this front seat, you'll see that I'm sat on these 2 captain's chairs which do swivel, so you've got seating comfortably for 5 and loads of space in the middle of the camper van too if you've got a dog. Loads of leg room, so if you need to store some stuff, that can sit down there too. And as we come back, we've obviously got the chopping board and the sink, really nice deep can sink. And underneath that, no wasted space, we've got this nice little locker in here. And as we go down, same again in here, it goes in deep to the back. And now, Nathan, if you come in, we'll just show down into this locker at the back here. And then this opens up, and there'll be a bit of sawdust in there because we've not yet cleaned, and that's nice, double height. It's great for bedding and all those sorts of things. We've got our control panel up in the back here, so we can control our Webasto diesel fired night heater. We've also got the Sergeant controller for things like our battery status, putting our water system on, controlling our lights, 230 volt for when you're hooked up below that. And then we've also got USB inputs, so we've got USB-C, we've got USB-C, USB 2.0, 3.0, and we've also got an accessory socket back there, so really nice. Up on top, we've just got a variety of different lockers. They're taller than a tin of beans, so you can get a lot of stuff in there. We've got 3 of them on the short wheelbase, 4 in the long wheelbase, then a large locker at the back, which still has a bit of trim to go on, but we're just at that snagging stage at the end where we'll just do all the finishing touches. Now, this big triple seat isn't standard in the Tyree, so the Tyree comes standard with a 120 wide seat which has 2 seat belts. This is a 130 wide seat, and there's a little bit extra cost in it. I had a 3-seater in my one just because I've got loads of people travelling with me all the time, and it gives you a 130 centimetre wide bed too, so nice big wide comfy bed. Now you'll see you've got the contour side, leather, perfect for sitting on. But if we flip it over, we've got this nice soft fabric side, which is great to sleep on. Nice and comfortable and flat. And then inside, you'll see we've got a safe box bolted in. So I'll just undo the door here. Great for all your valuables. Lock it up. We've also got all this space too, so it's great for storing, you know, huge, large items. If you've got skis, anything like that, there's a door either side, so you can pull stuff all the way through the seat. We've also got room for a porta potty in here, that kind of stuff, so a massive, big, usable space. And now, if you pull this lever, you pull down the middle section of the bed, and I'll just pop the back down just so we can get a look at how that works. And there we have our bed. So we've got a big 130 centimetre wide double bed, and it's totally flat, it's super comfortable, very soft. It doesn't have leather on this side, so it's not going to be uncomfortable to sleep on. And you can always adjust the backrest from the inside of the van to any angle that you'd like, just so you can be comfortable at night when you're sleeping. Now we'll just pop this away. And what we'll do next is we'll go around to the back, and I'll just give you a quick look in the back. Now, because this has gas, it means it's got this big gas locker at the back here, and this can contain 2 gas bottles. There's nothing in there just now. Like I said before, we're just doing some finishing touches on this one. We've also got access under the seat, just a quick look at that. So you've got access all the way through for big long items. We've also got access into this back locker here. Just above that, we've got a touch light for when we're in the back, if we're putting our groceries in, that sort of stuff. Now inside here, you'll see I've got this little shower nozzle. So if you stand back a wee bit, I'll just show you where this goes. This little box here, so you pop it up, and we can clip in our shower. And we've got nice little cold water shower or hot water if you've got a Webasto thermotop fitted. Great for washing our dog, washing our boots. Located in a really convenient place in the van, really easy to use. You just pop it away like so, and back into the cupboard. And it's gone. Now for hooking up and for filling up our water points as well, we've got the hidden door at the back here, so this is hook up at the campsite, and if we run out of water in our shower, we can just simply fill it up at home from this point here, and it's all hidden away under this handy little door. Now I'll just pull this down. And this van's been spec'd with 2 other things. It's got a reversing camera, and it also has the Volkswagen bike rack. So nice little additional extras. And this is for 4 bikes. It looks great, it works really, really well. Above that, hard to see, but we've also spec'd this one with a 100-watt solar panel. It's fitted in the center. And again, there's loads of these extras that you can have with your camper van. It's really just down to figuring out what you best need and what best fits your style of camper vanning, basically. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this whistle-stop tour of the Jerba Tiree. This is a new one that's going out, but it's quite a unique one with the leather and the 2-tone furniture. Thought you'd really like to see it. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more of these videos, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.